Frustrated by the Oregres Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. To start the walkthrough for Oregres Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Oregres Library, the Offline Registry Resources Library. It houses unmanaged string tables and icons used for managing offline registry hives during OS recovery or deployment orchestration manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Oregres Library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Oregres library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Manual intervention with Oregres Library DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Review repair-related information for Oregres Library by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Oregres Library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support